My name is Sho Langley, and the procedure I had done was implant dentures. When I was in public, we would go out to eat with a group of people. I would be careful to get soft food that I would be sure I could eat, and I had to be careful because they did slide. I have to tell you, I've used everything on the market to help my dentures stay in, and none of them worked.
Jo came into our practice very frustrated. She was in pain a great deal. She had many sore spots. She couldn't eat. She wore the dentures for 3 years and had lost a significant amount of weight. She was concerned when she was going out in public or going to a restaurant because her teeth would fall out. She would often say she couldn't smile because she would cover her mouth with when she smiled. So we collaborated, took a look at her bone, and advised her that she did have enough bone for implants, that we could fabricate prosthetics or fabricate new teeth for her that not only look nice but function well and snap in and out on top of the implants that allows her to feel more comfortable and more secure.
I didn't know much about implants, and he took the time to explain them to me, and I just felt like that this was where I should be, and this is what I needed and what I had been missing. These dentures are different. They snap in place. I don't have to use nothing, no glue, nothing as I did before. I can eat just about anything I want to. It just feels good to know I can go places and I don't have to just pick. I can pick what I like. Not necessarily what I can eat, but what I like.
She claims that her life has been changed by it. She can go out to dinner now without having any concerns about her teeth falling out. She can take pictures with her family. She can play with her grandkids and her great-grandkids. She's a much happier person and can eat better.
I never have to worry about them falling out. Never. They feel very secure in place. And I just feel like a different person.